our way to the track. Most likely not gonna run the car because water. Nah. Most likely not running the car because it's shaking. I don't know. I think the drive shaft is messed up. I don't know. I gotta check that. But I was gonna run. I might run it. I don't know. I'm gonna just say fuck it and run it, but I'm not sure yet. But we are gonna run the track. It's stock, so don't expect any fast numbers from it. Yes, sir. Hey. But yeah, we're gonna see what she does stock. What do you guys think the track will run at the track? It's completely stock. Let me pop the hood to show you guys. We ain't capping. It's literally the longest I've kept a stock car for. So fuck, where the hell is the thing? Completely stock. No pulley. No, not even an intake. No, nothing. She hasn't been tampered with. So stock Trackhawk at the track. No tires. Shit. These tires are fucking. They're not even that good. The fronts are okay, but back pretty worn out. So we're gonna see what she do. Big ass tank. Looks good though. Yeah, she do look good. Done big too.
Are you racing?
I don't know yet.
Okay, it's 20.
For me and the one behind.
And the one back behind it? Okay.
So we just got here. See what's up.
What is it?
Trackhawk, right? Jeep. And you gotta do all that. It's your first time or what, man?
Right, thank you.
Last time she was giving me shit because I didn't fill all that out. That wasn't her though.
Nice little setup.
I think it's just on the tire.
We're in a 1001. 1001. Boy, Civic John.
What do you got?
Civic. Pretty fast. Damn, they snap. Cletus. It says Cletus. That is snap. See the bunch of little jumps.
boss.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That wasn't that bad, to be honest. That was a 10.6 at 136, and I spun like crazy.
We're gonna try to get a bigger burnout. See if we're gonna get it to cook now.
That was a little bit better, but I think that's gonna be the last run for tonight. Just I don't want to break anything. Guys, pretty successful day at the track. We're leaving. It's always successful if we're leaving driving. So yeah, we ran both cars. The Hellcat ran. Unfortunately, the track, they didn't prep it whatsoever. They didn't prep it. I think people were saying they prepped it once all day, so nobody was hooking. I wasn't hooking. It is what it is. I hooked kind of on one pass, but I let off because it was like the wheel hop was crazy on it, and I didn't want to break anything, so I let off. But either way, we had fun. Maybe they didn't prep the truck for a reason, man, so I wouldn't break my car. We're still having issues, I think, with the drive shaft, or I don't know what it is, but it shakes really bad up top at like 120, 125. It shakes real bad. The whole car shakes. So we got to figure that out once Rob has time. But for right now, going in the garage, and that's it. Trackhawk looks nice.